All right, guys, let's go over the answer. And I'm going to show you guys two solutions on how to solve this. Let's start with solution one. First of all, let's create our constructor function named person. Very simple. Function, capital P person. Since it's only taken in one argument, name, we're just going to have one. Now, this is a constructor function. And since it's taking in name as the argument, we are going to have to use this dot name and set it equal to our argument, name. Okay, how do we create new instances of each of these names? If it was just one name, it would be pretty simple, right? Such as const Bob equals new person Bob. But if you think about it, we can actually just loop through these. Let's do a for of loop. Const name of AR of names. And as we're looping, what are we going to do? We are going to create a placeholder array. Let's just call this placeholder. And as we are looping, we will push in the new object instances into this placeholder. So we can do placeholder.push. And then new, because we're using the new keyword. Well, we have to because it's a constructor function. New person, and then we pass in the name. All right. And then at the end, let's check our work. Let's see if this works. Console.log placeholder. All right. Let's see. Okay. So now if you take a look at it, we see that placeholder, okay, is holding 4 instances of the person objects. Now, how can we assign each of these into their proper variables? Well, one thing we can do is array destructuring. So const an array, and then we're just going to type all of these in as variable names. So Bob, comma Jack, Tony, John. And we're going to set it equal to the array that we're destructuring, which is the placeholder. All right, so now we type Bob, we get Bob, right? If we type Jack, we get Jack, and so on. All right, this was solution 1. Let's move on to solution 2, which should be a lot shorter.